Is how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So if you go to your settings, then tap on your Apple ID, in very bottom you will see you can't log out. Sign out is not available, as you can see, due to restrictions. So first what we can do is go back to main settings. Once you're here, scroll down and find screen time. So tap on it. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see content and privacy restriction. And turn off this option, content and privacy restrictions. So basically just tap on this toggle over here. Then go back to screen time. And you will see any limits. So safety limits, for example, and apps, and something about your apps, you will see limits. So if you see apps limit something, use it on any apps, you should disable these limits. As you can see, I don't have limits, so you can try to disable it. And last what we can do is, you can see here says change screen time passcode. So we just turn off screen time passcode, enter your current passcode and turn off it. Alright, and now we can just try again, go back to settings, tap on Apple ID, and in the very bottom you will see sign out is now available, and you can sign out from your Apple ID account.